Hi there, it's Kathy. Welcome back to the channel. If you joined us for the moody and romantic bedroom reveal, thank you so much for watching. I really liked how that bedroom turned out. So today we're going to do a quick fall refresh. I'm down here in this train wreck of a basement, and I'm going to pull out whatever I can find that looks like fall. I see a pumpkin over here and some leaves over there, and there's a little bin down here, and I'm going to bring those upstairs and sift through them and see what I can find to disperse about the house and make it look like the season. And we'll have a little chat about what's on the horizon for the channel. And if you think there might be a decluttering video in the future, you'd be right. And it's going to start right here. But first, let's get these things upstairs. Scary. So this is the extent of the fall decor that I brought up from downstairs. And all of this part is for Halloween, so that can wait for now. For fall, I have a couple of wreaths, stems, this is cute. I can use this. Got some pine cones, some pumpkins and gourds, and some glass pumpkins. This fireplace is looking a little sparse because I stole the picture and the two candle sconces and put them in the romantic moody bedroom. So I think the plan to get some kind of fall garland, maybe put a wreath up here, and then maybe some candles, and fill in with different sizes of pumpkins, either artificial or maybe I'll get some real pumpkins, and then kind of disperse some of these other things throughout the house. Now that we can see everything that we have and we have a plan, we know what we're going to use and what we need to get. So let's go shopping, and I'll meet you back here. And we're back. I ended up going to Hobby Lobby and picked up a couple of these strings, I guess if that's what you call them, strings of garland, and some pumpkins in various sizes, and some picks. Not sure what I'm going to do with the picks, but they're good for filling in any kind of blank spaces. And everything was 40% off, so it's a good time to pick up your fall decor needs at Hobby Lobby right now. But let's see what we'll do with those. To get started, you just have to jump right in there. So I'm going to put the garland up first and move it around until I like the way it looks, and then start adding some of the other elements. I'm kind of liking that. I thought I was going to put a wreath up here, this wreath up here, but one, I think the leaves are too orange to go with this, and two, this is too many leaves. So I don't think that's what we need here. I think I'm kind of missing the painting that I put in the other room. But I did find on Marketplace, I found this painting, and I think that might make a nice little placeholder. You can get it up there. It's too small for this spot, but I think it'll work once we get the candles up here. It'll kind of make it feel at home a little bit.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Well, that's a start. Now let's see what else we can do. Well, that was easy. All we needed was some pumpkins, a little garland, a lot of pine cones, and a little imagination to make the house look cozy for the fall season. I even added some fairy lights because everything looks better with fairy lights. Coming up on the channel, we'll be doing some research and gathering some materials to redo the guest bedroom. And there are also a few other areas in the house that need a little love. If you felt inspired at all to refresh your house for the fall season, I'd love it if you click that like button and subscribed if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.